Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Jamaican Cuisine with a Twist. It's your boy Ken right here. Okay guys, so today we're gonna do some Jamaican breakfast, which we're gonna make Jamaican fritters, fish fritters and banana fritters. Two different kind of fritters today. So journey with me. Yes guys, so first we're gonna cut our herbs and spices. This is for the saltfish fritters. So we are adding some green onion, otherwise known as scallion. Now we have the yellow onion. And cut up it fine as possible. Some bell pepper. Bell pepper, chili and red. We have some thyme. Okay, then we're gonna put them all together and cut them real fine. I can't believe I forgot the Jamaican scotch bonnet pepper. So the scotch bonnet, we're gonna shave the edge. Don't get any seed inside, because the seed is where the heat is. So you cut around the seed. You dice some nice. Just for the flavor. Not much heat once you don't have the seeds inside. There. Soaking your saltfish in some fresh water to get rid of some of the salt, the majority of the salt. You put your saltfish, make it boil for like a minute, not for very long, just to get it to shred easily. We're gonna turn off all the saltfish, then we're gonna add it in some cold water. Not a lot of saltfish, we're not making a big portion. It depends on the portion that you're making. So saltfish in cold water to cool down. So then we're gonna search for bones. No bone, nice, perfect. Search for the bones, bring that to the bones. So we got nice, perfect saltfish there. So fine bone is a knife, you can remove the bone. Put some plantain with our fritters. So let's go and dice it. Slice the plantain up. This is the right plantain, guys. Right plantain. First, we're gonna add flour. 1 cup of flour. Then, you can add anyone. Herbs and spices. Then our saltfish. some of my rub, which is pimento, garlic salt. Brown pimento with garlic salt. I'm gonna add coconut powder. So then we add water, which is 2 cups of water we're starting with. You might not use all, just do it upon to your judgment. Nice, so we use 1 cup of water. The banana fritters now. So I'm going to use a bullet to get my banana fritter. For those who don't have a bullet, you can use a regular whisk or a fork to get it to where you want it. So yeah, just a little bit of liquid. So then this is my banana. Turn into liquid. Okay, this is the banana. Alright, this is approximately 2 bananas. And we can add 1 cup of flour to the 2 bananas. And add like a pinch of salt, like just a pinch. Back with the coconut milk. Give it that nice coconut flavor for me. So we combine the bananas with the flour. Then add a dose of water. Maybe half cup of water this time around. Smell it if you're a banana fan. Wow. Banana is smelling so good. If you're a banana fan, you would like to smell it. So you must mix it around.
Nice. 2,000 years later.
Hey guys, now we move to the stove. Fire. You leave your... and you get some oil. I love coconut, so I love coconut. This is like coconut oil. Yeah, nice. You leave your oil to be hot for about 2 minutes, tops. Now this is the saltfish fritters. So you stir it a bit. You take a scoop, scoop it in. Okay. So yes guys, so this is the saltfish fritters. get into. So yes guys, we're turning. Oh, nice. Oh, perfect fritters, guys. Perfect, nice texture. You put them on.
何？お前はもう死んでいる。
A piece of hand towel to absorb most of the oil. Or if you have a drainer, you can put it in an oil drainer, whichever one. Okay guys, now with the banana fritters, the fire have to be on low heat because the banana sweetness will burn easily. Because of the sweetness of the banana, this one will burn much easier than the saltfish. Yes guys, thanks for watching another episode of Jamaican Cuisine with a Twist. This is the finished product of my fritters. So here we got the saltfish fritters, as you can see, colorful and nice. The banana fritters, just plain this banana.
Oh my god! Wow!
So now it's the fun part. And then we got plantain, fried ripe plantain. So now it's the fun part because I'm gonna test these. Saltfish fritters, you can taste the saltfish, you can taste the herbs and the spice. So good. Man, let's do something. Have the plantain in the middle, banana to the side, and saltfish to the side.